Ever wondered how to invest in the company that made investing more accessible? How about buying a piece of Robinhood itself? Robinhood, the popular investment app, has revolutionized the way people trade stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. But have you ever thought about investing in Robinhood itself? In this video, we'll break down the process step by step, from opening a brokerage account to executing your first Robinhood trade. Step 1. Choosing a brokerage. Before you can buy Robinhood stock, you'll need to open a brokerage account. While Robinhood offers a great platform for trading, you can't buy its own shares directly through the app. You'll need to use a different brokerage that allows you to trade stocks listed on the NASDAQ. Popular choices include TD Ameritrade, known for its robust platform and educational resources. Charles Schwab offers a variety of investment options and competitive fees. E-Trade provides a user-friendly interface and advanced trading tools. Step 2. Funding your account. Once you've chosen a brokerage, you'll need to fund your account. This can be done through bank transfers, wire transfers, or by linking your checking or savings account. Step 3. Searching for Robinhood stock. To find Robinhood stock, use the search bar in your brokerage platform. The ticker symbol for Robinhood is HOOD. Step 4. Placing your order. After locating Robinhood stock, you can place your order. Here's a basic breakdown. Market order buys or sells a security at the current market price. Limit order specifies a maximum price you're willing to pay for a buy or a minimum price you're willing to accept for a sell. Stop order triggers a market order if the price reaches a specified level. Additional considerations. Commission fees. Some brokerages charge commission fees for each trade. Be sure to check your brokerage's fee structure. Market volatility. Robinhood's stock price can be volatile, so it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. Diversification. Consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in other stocks or asset classes. Example scenario. Let's say you want to buy 100 shares of Robinhood stock at a price of $20 per share. You would place a limit order for 100 shares at $20. If the stock price falls to $20 or below, your order will be executed. Investing in Robinhood stock can be a great way to participate in the growth of a company that has disrupted the financial industry. However, it's important to approach investing with caution and do your due diligence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.